Hello there, family. I'm out here on the river, down at the river bank down here. You can see where TWRA Wildlife put some of them number 6 boulders. I think it's number 6, maybe number, I don't know. But anyway, pretty good sized limestone boulders on each side of the ramp there. That's a double ramp there too, and it's public. It's public to anybody. And then you're looking down river this way, and then I'm gonna slow you turn you back around where you can see going upriver, and then you just keep turning around there. Got some big pretty houses across the river there too. Just wanted to show you this. Talk to you soon.